Good morning, friends. This time we decided to review uh, Girl in White Cotton, a novel by Avni Doshi. I am a part of a book club, my secret bookshelf book club, MSB book club, and so we had decided to read this book and review it during our monthly meetup. The book is written by Avni Doshi, who was born in New Jersey, and after completing her BA in Art History from Barnard College and MA in the History of Art from University College London, and she lives in Dubai now. The book is set in Pune, mostly Pune. There are references, there are incidents, events in Mumbai also, mostly set in Pune. And the story is about Antara, who has never understood the reasons of her mother Tara. Tara walks out of her marriage to follow a Guruji, and she even becomes the consort of Guruji for some time till the time she is replaced by another younger beautiful woman. So she comes out of the ashram disillusioned and starts begging on the streets also, living outside the Pune club, and the guard there starts feeding them there. Tara has started losing her memory. That's how the book opens. Tara has started losing her memory. And Antara, her daughter, becomes her caregiver. Antara is also fighting her own battles with her fractured past of a broken marriage, and she then starts reliving her childhood in Pune in the 1980s. A brief time she spent in a Catholic boarding school in the hills of Maharashtra, and then as a young artist in Mumbai, she draws. And as the book progresses, she comes up against her own fears, her own neurisis, and somewhere along the way, she feels that she may not be so different from her mother after all. So, as the blurb itself says on the inside jacket, this is a journey into shifting memories, altering identities, and the subjective nature of truth, tracing the fragile line between familial devotion and deception. Avni Doshi's mesmerizing first novel will surprise and unsettle you. I'm not so sure about the surprise element, but yes, it had a slow start for me. And it was after I had read the first half of the book that actually the book started growing on me. As Avni grapples, not Avni, I'm sorry, as Antara grapples with the caregiver role for her mother, and then she also has her own child, and then she realizes the relationship between a mother and a daughter, and the time that, but she has hurts from the past when her mother, she feels, did not take care of her. The book has been shortlisted for the Booker Prize 2020, though everyone in my book club felt that it was difficult to see why it was shortlisted for this prize. It's a one-time read. And I would like to give the book 3 out of 5. If you love reading about relationships, about difficult relationships, about complex relationships, fractured relationships, then yes, this could be the book for you. A one-time read, as I said. Thank you.